Very dirty. Well, we're going to see a lot of sunshine out there. No wind to worry about. Just some very hot temperatures today. As you head out for this morning, if you're doing some golfing early on this morning, a pretty nice start. And you'll want to do any outdoor activities now because by later this morning and lunchtime, we're talking about temperatures already into the upper 80s, lower 90s. Right now, not too bad as we get you outside at 72 degrees in Albuquerque. Winds out of the east at 10 miles per hour. Temperatures elsewhere, 55 in Taos, 60 degrees, cool and comfortable in Las Vegas, 65 and Santa Fe. It's going to be a gorgeous movie. It's not going to be a gorgeous movie. Excuse me. A gorgeous morning is more like it in Santa Fe if you are headed out to the plaza for the Spanish market. Lower 70s in Albuquerque and Socorro in the upper 70s in TRC. Here's a look at the high temperatures. These are the numbers you're going to be feeling this afternoon. The middle to upper 90s in the metro, low to mid 90s in Santa Fe, the triple digits and Roswell, and 100 degrees will be your high in Carlsbad and Alamogordo. So if you're heading out this weekend to enjoy the outdoors, be sure to drink plenty of water and remember this sunscreen because we're going to see a lot of sunshine out there. Nothing at all going on the satellite and radar. All the clouds and the moisture that we could use to trigger more storms is well off to our west into Arizona and also into Colorado. We're going to be drier and hotter for today because an area of high pressure is hanging out over New Mexico. So that, of course, means well above average high temperatures for today. But this area of high pressure is going to leave us alone for tomorrow, and that means changes are on the way in the form of cooler temperatures and even the chance for scattered storms. So for today, it's going to be hot and dry, but by tomorrow, we're watching a cold front move in, and that will push into Albuquerque late tomorrow night into Monday. So we're going to have those canyon winds. You'll notice those tomorrow evening. Those canyon winds will eventually push that moisture into central New Mexico, giving us a shot for some thunderstorms by late tomorrow night into Monday afternoon. So once we get the daytime heating, we'll start to see those clouds bubbling up around lunchtime and dinner time and bringing that chance for some periods of heavy rain, not only for tomorrow into Monday, but also as we head into Tuesday into Wednesday, because we're going to watch a series of cold fronts move through the state. So that means a pretty good shot for everyone to see some rain as we head into the next 7 days. But in the meantime, for today, it's going to be mainly hot and dry with just a few spotty storms around the mountains in southern Colorado. Temperatures in the lower 80s in Pacosa Springs, the upper 80s in Cortez. Over to the Four Corners, middle 90s in Farmington, 91 in Gallup, 92 and Grants with a few spotty storms, and then we'll be in the middle 90s for Sunday. Those temperatures eventually coming back down into the upper 80s and lower 90s for the beginning of the week with a better shot for rain. Over to the southwest, the triple digits in TRC and Socorro, 99 in Las Cruces and Deming, and then over to the southeast, temperatures back into the triple digits for today, upper 90s for tomorrow in Roswell. And then those temperatures coming back down in the middle 90s with a better shot for some storms. And then over to the northeast, a few storms basically around the Sangre de Cristo Mountains here, but otherwise we're going to be hot in Santa Rosa, a high temperature of 99. How about 94 in Springer and 102 in Tucumcari? And then over to the northern mountains, temperatures not too bad in Red River in the higher elevations, but in Taos, 89, 91 in Santa Fe, 93 in Espanola, and then over to the east mountains, the low to mid 90s here with a slight chance for an isolated storm, a better shot for rain tomorrow Monday. And in the metro, temperatures about 10 degrees above average into the upper 90s. Belen could hit 100. And then as our rain chances go up, our temperatures come down back into the upper 80s for Monday and Tuesday. So it's not going to be this long stretch of hot, dry weather. So some good news there.
Well, the cool down will be much appreciated after today.
Even some rain.
All right. Thanks.